doing today? Today we're gonna do a HID conversion. It's the kit I bought. Yep. Let's do an unboxing. Let me see. This is instructions. Looks a little bootleg. Let's see this box. Yep. H11 8K. Here's the bulbs. Yep. I got bulbs. And here's the ballast. Yeah. Should be simple. Should be. What's this? Oh yeah, my kind of install. Zip ties and some bolts and stuff. I'm gonna put it in a 2012 Nissan Altima. Let's see how it goes. So I gotta change this bulb. To get to that bulb, there's no space here. Stick my hand in there and get it, so I gotta go through here. That means might as well just take the tire off so I can get in there. Yep. Lots of fun. Same goes on the other side. Yep. Can't get in there. What's up with the damn battery though? What the hell? It's another day. Alright, after you take off the tire, take off the inner fender, and there's the bulb. So that one there is the one I have to change. Alright, let's see. So it looks like you plug in the bulb. This is the factory harness. Plug in this wire. And this one goes to the ballast like this. Like this, and then the other side goes to the bulb. Let's see, let me get it hooked up, see if it works. Alright, the light's installed, and it looks good. That compared to this, big difference. Big difference. Nice blue color. And this is how it's hooked up. It's pretty easy to install. So the bulb goes to the ballast. The factory harness plugs into the ballast here. This is the HID bulb to the ballast. I just gotta figure out how to mount it. Damn, it's pretty good. Here is the driver's side. Ballast installed. I have to put it on this frame right here because I don't have any space on top. Batteries in the way, fuse box too. Ignore that battery corrosion. I'll clean it later. But there's no room to put the ballast up here. And on this side, I mounted it here. Just zip tied. Yep, bunch of zip ties. I know it's bootleg, but that's how I do shit. And I'll show you what it looks like. On my test drive, I noticed that the lights are aimed too low, and I'm going to have to adjust the aim a little bit higher. So after I changed the lights, took it for the drive, and noticed that I need to raise them up. So I'm gonna raise them about one more line on that wall to raise them up. There's an adjustment screw here, right in there. It's hard to see, but just use a Phillips screwdriver to raise it up. Stick it in the hole right in here. It's pretty simple. Let's do it. So I'm gonna raise them up. About right there. There's an adjustment screw there. And the other side, I have the ballast in the way. Just move it. Just here. And there's the adjustment screw there. Process. Should be around right there. Have them both even. No, that's how I gotta go up here. Test drive after the adjustments. You can see the signs illuminating better.